Hi, my name is Elizabeth Troutman and I am from Marion, Ohio. I work for Ohio Health. I am a home health aide, and I would just like to say my experience with Pretty Plum Fitness, Miss Rashida Joy, has been a wonderful experience. Um, I was with her about a year ago to try to transition to plant based because I have a medical condition, a skin condition, that I wanted to try plant based and see if the foods that I was eating was what was causing the issue. And in doing so, the weight loss happened, and I was, you know, very happy with that. So from there, I took a break for a while and fell off and kind of fell back into eating the way that I was before. And I, just noticed how unhappy I was becoming and noticing the differences in my skin again. And so I sent her a message on Instagram and said, hey, I want to get back and let you be my coach and help me out. And here I am, almost the end of July, and I've lost about 35 pounds. Skin is doing great. I haven't had any flare ups, and no real desire to go back to how I was eating before. Still a little bit indulging, but not as much as I did before. It's not as hard this time when you really take a more of a focus on yourself. I have a family, a husband, and two beautiful children, and I want them to kind of see me as an example of hopefully transitioning over with me maybe in the future. But I just want to say thank you so much to Rashida. I'm going to continue this journey with her as long as she'll have me. I love the support of the group. All the ladies in the group are wonderful, and I just look forward to what's to come.